kung kung may ganito, kung meron man talaga akong ibibigay na i-change ko or something, siguro we could have started adding more people earlier on the business. Kasi ang nangyari kasi sa amin nung time na yon, and I think marami tayong mga business people can agree with me, is yung letting go of the business, i-entrust mo na.
Yes.
Kasi ang nangyari sa amin, kasi sumagad kami, nung dalawa lang kami ni Kat, obviously yung malaki yung portfolio, no, yung management. And normally kasi ang isang tao kasi sa industry, you can only effectively manage. We're talking about rental portfolio. Effectively kasi one person can effectively manage a book the size of between 120 to 150 properties to be able to be effective. Nangyari sa amin ni Kat, dumating kami sa almost magpo-400 na kami.
Wow.
Tinatry pa rin namin gawin. We were doing it, kaya lang doon na yung halos, kung tinuloy pa namin yun before, magbe-burn out kami. So, in hindsight, and this is an honest assessment sa akin siguro mismo, kung napaaga ko ng konti yon, baka mas lumaki pa